Alrighty. We are ready to go to work. Hopefully he's in a better mood than the fillies were this morning. Oh, they were wicked. Those sweet little cute fillies just were in a mood this morning. Let's working trot. That's enough fussing. Yeah, maybe paying attention would be good, huh? On the rail. On the rail. Working trot. Good boy. And the blackbirds have come back. We have red and yellow-winged blackbirds, red-winged blackbirds, yellow-winged blackbirds, and yellow-headed blackbirds. They aren't all here yet, but they will be. Good boy. Let's walk. Walk. Whoa. Whoa. Until you're told to move, you whoa. Good boy. Walk on. And let's come across. Good boy. Come right. Good boy. That was nicely done. Gale, working trot. What a good boy. Yep, you can attack her if you want. That's fine. Everybody else has been today. Keep your work up. Good boy. It's all about doing what I say. Gale, whoa. Nope, I didn't say anything about coming around. I said whoa. Good boy. Whoa. Good boy. Whoa. Nope. Walk on. Good boy. Working trot. Good boy. Walk. Good boy. Time to come across. Look at you, what a good boy. He's fussing with his head. Check his teeth when we're done today. And the fussing pretty much stops once they're not bored anymore. You get that dog? She went away, didn't she? So you couldn't get her. Yep. Are you ready? Whoa. Good boy. Good boy. Chances are good he would stand quietly for me to hook him up, and I'm not going to take the chance. If they learn it very young, at the very beginning, then it's not an issue. Whoa, son. Jenny is not being a very good mommy today. This morning she decided to go out the other end of the barn while her daughter was out in the pen with the other mare and with Cheyenne and Jet. Oh, it took me forever to get her caught in where she belonged. And then the babies weren't very good when I handled them this morning. So, since I had to take a test to renew my massage license, I went in the house and worked on that, and everybody seems to have calmed down a bit. Don't do that. Yep, no backing up. Walk on. Well, you did it again. This time you can just live with it. I don't care if you don't like it. I told you not to back up. Walk. Because you were told to. She says, I don't like that between my legs. I know you don't. That's the best reason to leave it there. Walk on. Nope. Walk. 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 Yep, there's your mama watching. Come across. Walk on. Walk. Walk on. Well, there you go. Walk on. Walk on. Walk on. Simply because I said so. Let's come across. Come across. Walk on. That's right, good boy. Come on. Walk on. Good boy. That's right, good boy. Walk on. Come across. No, don't do that. Walk on. Walk on. And I'm half halting on the outside just to keep him thinking about keeping that foot on the ground since he's being silly about it today. Walk on. Good boy. Walk. Now you have to prove that you're going to pay attention before you get to go any faster. Walk on. Yep, today's a much tougher day. Today is an absolute behave yourself day. Quit. 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 Come across. Come across. You know the command. Come across. That's right, good boy. Walk on.